possibly confuse you with me?
I don't know.
You got it.
No.
Did you know saving just 15 minutes each morning adds up to more than 90 hours a year? ChatGPT Pulse makes that possible by working ahead of time, preparing answers and updates before a single question is asked. So every morning begins with 5 to 10 quick cards filled with the most useful information for the day. What exactly is ChatGPT Pulse? ChatGPT Pulse is a new feature in the mobile app, but it's not open to everyone yet. Right now, it's limited to pro users. Unlike the usual ask and answer style, Pulse works proactively. Once a day, it runs in the background, does its research, and delivers updates in the form of visual cards. These cards can show daily news, reminders, project updates, or personal suggestions. The best part is, they aren't random. Pulse bases them on past chats, saved memories, and feedback through thumbs up or down. It can also connect with apps like Gmail and Google Calendar for even more personalized updates. So, every morning, about 5 to 10 cards are waiting, each one designed to match daily needs and habits. Wouldn't it be nice to wake up and already know the day's top highlights without scrolling through 5 different apps? One standout feature is overnight research. While the phone is idle, Pulse gathers information so everything is ready first thing in the morning. No delays, no wasted time, just updates waiting. The updates come as visual cards, which are short, colorful, and easy to scan. Each card can be expanded for more details, saved for later, or deleted if it's not useful. Pulse also learns from personal feedback. A thumbs up improves future results, while removing irrelevant cards makes the system sharper. There's even a curate option to request specific topics in advance. Optional connectors like Gmail and Calendar can add meeting agendas or travel reminders, but they stay off by default. And with strong privacy and safety checks, users remain fully in control since Pulse only works when memory is enabled. How does it work behind the scenes? The process starts with a nightly data check. Pulse reviews memories, recent chats, previous feedback, and any connected apps. It then moves to content synthesis, where the system chooses which topics to highlight based on importance, recency, and personal interests.
By the time morning comes, all of this work has already been done, and the briefing is delivered directly in the Pulse tab of the mobile app. The loop doesn't stop there. With every interaction, Pulse improves. Feedback given in the form of thumbs up, thumbs down, or curated requests helps it refine future outputs. This is where the magic happens. It's not just a static tool, but one that grows smarter and sharper over time. The cycle can be summed up simply: gather, summarize, deliver, improve. Who can use Pulse right now? At the moment, access to Pulse is quite limited. It is available only for Pro subscribers, which comes at a steep price of around $200 per month. On top of that, it is restricted to the iOS and Android mobile apps, so desktop and web users don't have it yet. However, there are plans to roll it out further. Soon, Plus subscribers will also gain access, and eventually it may reach all users once performance improves. The idea is to start small, refine the system with active feedback, and then make it widely available. Here's a question to think about. Would you pay extra for a feature that saves daily planning time and reduces the need to check multiple apps? Why is Pulse useful? Pulse saves time by combining calendar events, weather, and news into one daily digest. A quick morning check shows everything already organized and ready. It also supports project tracking, highlighting tasks and deadlines to prevent missed updates. For personal growth, Pulse gives daily nudges for fitness, hobbies, or learning goals. Travelers get itineraries, packing reminders, and food suggestions prepared in advance. This marks a shift from reactive ChatGPT to proactive AI that plans ahead instead of waiting. This is more than just convenience. It's a preview of what AI could become. Pulse lays the foundation for a future where systems don't only respond, but also anticipate. This could eventually lead to features like booking reservations, drafting emails, or handling everyday tasks automatically within user-defined boundaries. The user experience is simple. In the morning, the app is opened, and the Pulse tab is right there. Inside, 5 to 10 cards are waiting, each covering different areas like news, personal updates, and recommendations. From there, interaction is straightforward. Cards can be expanded for more detail, saved for future reference, or deleted if not useful. Feedback can be given instantly through thumbs up or down, and if there's a specific need for the next update, a curate request can be added. For example, asking for local weekend events will make sure it appears in the following briefing. The usefulness of Pulse becomes clear in real-world situations. For students, it could mean reminders about assignments, exam prep, or local events without needing to search manually. For professionals, the cards could deliver industry news, project updates, and meeting agendas, all set before the workday begins. Hobby learners might find cooking tips, gardening advice, or new workout ideas tailored to their interests. Meanwhile, travelers can benefit from weather updates, flight information, and restaurant suggestions tied to their upcoming trips. Here's something to think about. Would life feel simpler if these things showed up automatically each day without being asked for? For now, Pulse is limited to one briefing per day. The research runs once every 24 hours, and there are no midday refreshes. That means updates may not always be in real time. It's also still in preview mode, which means some cards might feel irrelevant or slightly off. The system improves with feedback, but it isn't perfect yet. On top of that, it's mobile only, so desktop users can't access it, and connectors are limited to Gmail and Google Calendar. More integrations are expected in the future, but at this stage, the options are narrow. Compared to Google Gemini Morning Briefing, Pulse is more personal. Gemini offers summaries, but it doesn't integrate with personal memory or allow the same level of curation. Microsoft Copilot excels at coding and business tasks, but it doesn't offer a broad daily digest. Pulse stands out by blending personal memory with external updates in one place. Its roadmap includes more app connections like Docs and Sheets, plus real-time nudges for in-the-moment reminders. In the future, Pulse may even act as an agent, booking tickets or scheduling appointments safely. The plan is to expand access from pro users to Plus, and eventually everyone. This marks a shift from reactive chatbots to proactive assistants that save time, reduce stress, and prepare ahead. Pulse is just the first step in that journey. ChatGPT Pulse shows what happens when AI stops waiting and starts preparing. It's not perfect yet. Limited access, one update per day, and only a few connectors. But the direction is clear. Personalized, proactive help that grows smarter with feedback. So the real question is, would daily briefings like this save time and reduce stress? Or would they just add one more notification to check? We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.